Most people don't fail at learning AI because they're lazy. They fail because the internet throws 1,000 tools at them all at once. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, Gemini, automation tools, AI image generators, and suddenly learning AI feels less like opportunity and more like chaos. Now imagine if someone took all of that noise and turned it into a simple daily system you could follow in just 15 minutes a day. That's basically what Coursiv is trying to do. And honestly, after testing it, I finally understand why so many beginners are talking about it.
Ready to level up your workflow with tools that actually make a difference? Here we review AI apps and clever platforms that help you save time and boost your results.
So here's the problem most people have right now. They watch random AI tutorials on YouTube, save dozens of prompts they'll never use, open 5 tabs at once, and still don't actually know how to apply AI in real life. Sound familiar? What makes Coursiv different is that it doesn't just teach AI tools, it gives you structure. The moment you open the app, it feels less like a traditional course platform and more like a guided AI learning roadmap. Instead of dumping endless lessons on you, it organizes everything around goals and outcomes. So let's say your goal is making AI-generated images for income. There's a learning path for that. Maybe you want to learn ChatGPT for productivity or affiliate marketing. There's a path for that too. And this is where I think the platform gets smart, because beginners don't actually want more AI information. They want clarity. They want someone to say, start here, do this today, then move to the next step. And that's exactly the experience Coursiv creates. Now here's where things get interesting. One of the features I didn't expect to like this much is the challenge system. Instead of overwhelming you with hundreds of lessons, the platform gives you focused daily challenges. For example, there's a 14-day AI side hustle challenge, longer AI mastery challenges, and specialized tracks focused on different tools or goals. And honestly, this completely changes the psychology of learning, because most people quit learning AI after 3 days. Not because it's hard, but because they don't know what to focus on next. Coursiv removes that decision fatigue. You wake up, open the app, spend about 10 to 15 minutes on today's lesson, complete the challenge, and you're done. That's it. And the lessons themselves are short enough that you actually finish them. No 2-hour lectures, no endless theory, just practical bite-sized learning. Now stay with me here, because this is probably the platform's biggest advantage. Coursiv doesn't just teach you AI tools, it lets you use them directly inside the app. And that matters way more than people realize, because normally when you're learning AI, you have to jump between websites constantly. One tab for ChatGPT, another for image generation, another for prompts, another tutorial on YouTube explaining what to do. It's messy. But inside Coursiv, a lot of these tools are already integrated into the experience. So while you're learning, you're also experimenting in real time. For beginners, that's huge. Let's say you're trying to generate AI art. Instead of reading theory about prompts, you can immediately test prompts inside the app itself. You type something simple, choose a style, tweak a few settings, and seconds later, you see an actual result. That instant feedback loop is what helps people learn faster. And honestly, one feature that deserves more attention is the pre-made prompt system. Most beginners have no idea how to talk to AI properly yet. They open ChatGPT and stare at the screen thinking, okay, what do I even type? Coursiv solves that by giving users ready-made prompts and templates they can build from. So instead of starting from zero, you're learning through examples. And that's exactly how most people learn fastest. Now here's another thing I noticed while testing the platform. The app feels designed for consistency, not intensity. And weirdly enough, that's probably why it works. Because a lot of AI courses try to make you feel like you need to become an expert overnight. But Coursiv approaches it differently. It focuses on building a daily habit. You complete lessons, you maintain streaks, you unlock progress gradually. It almost feels like Duolingo, but for AI skills. And psychologically, that's powerful, because small daily progress is what actually creates long-term learning. The streak system might sound simple, but honestly, it keeps you coming back. And when you're trying to learn something as fast-moving as AI, consistency matters more than cramming information for one weekend and forgetting it later. That's another reason why the 15-minute format works so well. It feels manageable. Now let's talk about who this platform is really for. If you're already an advanced AI developer, building custom GPT workflows and coding machine learning models, this probably isn't made for you. But if you're a beginner, freelancer, creator, student, entrepreneur, or just someone who knows AI is becoming important and doesn't know where to start, this makes a lot more sense, especially because the content stays practical. You're not spending hours learning technical definitions you'll never use. You're learning things like how to use AI tools faster, how to create content with AI, how to generate images, how to improve productivity, how to explore AI-driven income ideas. And in 2025, Those are skills people genuinely want. Now, here's something else worth mentioning. Coursiv also includes certificates that you can attach to your LinkedIn profile after completing courses. Now, obviously, this isn't the same as a university degree or some massive industry certification, but for beginners building credibility online, especially freelancers or creators, it can still be useful. Because the real value isn't just the certificate itself, it's the fact that you've actually practiced using the tools. And honestly, that's what employers and clients increasingly care about anyway. Can you use AI effectively? Can you save time? Can you create results? That's becoming more important every single year. Now, I also want to mention something important because I saw mixed opinions online before trying it. A few people complain that platforms like this oversell the make money with AI angle. And I think it's fair to say this: AI tools alone won't magically make you rich overnight, but what platforms like Coursiv can do is shorten the learning curve dramatically. Instead of wasting months trying to figure everything out alone, you get structure, guided learning, challenges, prompts, and practical exercises in one place. And for a lot of people, that's worth it. At the end of the day, I think that's the real reason platforms like this are growing so fast. People don't want more information anymore, they want simplicity. And that's exactly the lane Coursiv is targeting. Simple lessons, simple structure, simple daily progress, no overwhelm. And honestly, if you're someone who's been wanting to learn AI but keeps procrastinating because everything feels too complicated, this might actually be one of the easiest entry points I've seen so far. Coursiv basically turns AI learning into something approachable instead of intimidating. And right now, that's exactly what most beginners need. If you've been trying to get into AI tools lately, let me know in the comments what's been the most confusing part for you. And if you want more videos testing AI tools and platforms like this, make sure you subscribe because there are a lot more coming soon.